Have you ever looked in the mirror first thing in the morning and thought, wow, my skin actually looks so fresh today? But later that evening, you catch your reflection again, and suddenly your face looks tired. Your cheeks don't seem as full. Your jawline isn't as sharp. It almost feels like you've aged 5 years in just one day. If you've ever experienced that, you're not imagining it. As a dermatologist, I hear this from patients all the time. The surprising part? Most of the time, you haven't actually aged during the day. What's changing is how your skin behaves throughout the day. And once you understand why, there are simple things you can do before bed to help your skin look fresher the next morning. Let's go through the biggest reasons. Reason 1. Your skin slowly loses water. The biggest reason is something called transepidermal water loss. Throughout the day, tiny amounts of water continuously evaporate from your skin. Even if you're drinking enough water, your skin gradually becomes less hydrated. Imagine a fresh grape. It's smooth because it's full of water. Leave it out long enough and it slowly shrivels into a raisin. Your skin isn't becoming a raisin, but the same principle applies. When your skin loses water, it becomes less plump. Fine lines appear deeper. Pores become more noticeable. Your face simply looks older. What should you do before bed? Instead of just putting moisturizer on dry skin, wash your face with a gentle cleanser and apply your moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp, within about 2 or 3 minutes. Look for ingredients such as glycerin or hyaluronic acid to pull water into the skin, and ceramides or squalane to help lock that moisture in. Why before bed? Because while you're sleeping, your skin has 7 or 8 uninterrupted hours to rehydrate. That's one reason many people wake up with smoother looking skin. Reason 2. Gravity has been working all day. Here's something most people never think about. Gravity never takes a break. When you wake up, you've been lying flat for several hours. Your facial tissues are more evenly supported. But after standing and sitting all day, gravity has been pulling downward for 10 or 12 hours. When you're younger, strong collagen acts like a firm mattress supporting your skin. After 40, that support system naturally becomes weaker. So by evening, sagging simply becomes more noticeable. So what should you do? You can't beat gravity overnight, but you can slow the reason gravity becomes more obvious. Every morning, wear sunscreen, even if you're mostly indoors. Ultraviolet light is one of the biggest causes of collagen breakdown. At night, if your skin tolerates it, use a retinoid consistently. Retinoids stimulate collagen production over time. Don't expect a difference tomorrow morning, but 6 months from now, your skin will have a much stronger support system than if you had done nothing. Reason 3. Your morning fullness wasn't all collagen. Have you noticed your cheeks often look fuller in the morning? That's partly because when you're lying down overnight, a small amount of fluid redistributes into your face. As the day goes on, that fluid drains away. If you've already lost some facial fat or collagen, which is a normal part of aging, that temporary fullness disappears by evening. Your face hasn't suddenly collapsed. You're simply seeing its true structure. So what should you do? Don't try to keep the morning puffiness. Instead, focus on improving your skin's real volume. That means eating enough protein every day, protecting collagen with sunscreen, and if appropriate, talking with your dermatologist about collagen-stimulating treatments rather than chasing temporary fixes. Healthy skin volume lasts much longer than morning swelling. Reason 4. Your skin barrier takes a beating all day. Think about everything your skin goes through before dinner. Sunlight, heat, wind, air conditioning, pollution, even rubbing your face with your hands. All of these slowly weaken your skin's protective barrier. When that barrier becomes damaged, it can't hold onto water as effectively. More water escapes, and once again, your skin looks drier, rougher, and older. Here's what to do tonight. Think of your evening skincare routine as repairing tiny cracks in a wall. Use a gentle cleanser. Skip harsh scrubs unless your dermatologist has recommended them. Then apply a barrier repair moisturizer containing ceramides. If you repair your skin every night, it loses less moisture the next day. Reason 5. Your face has been exercising all day. Most of us never realize how much our facial muscles work. You smile, you squint, you frown, you stare at a phone for hours. By evening, those muscles have repeated the same movements thousands of times. That's why forehead lines or crow's feet often seem deeper later in the day. Here's what helps. If you spend hours on a screen, increase your font size instead of constantly squinting. Wear sunglasses outside. If you need reading glasses, actually wear them. Reducing unnecessary squinting won't erase wrinkles overnight, but it does reduce repetitive muscle strain that makes those lines more obvious by evening. Reason 6. Inflammation builds up throughout the day. Here's the final reason. Your skin is constantly responding to the world around you. Too much sun, a poor night's sleep, stress, even a high sugar diet. These can all increase inflammation. Inflamed skin doesn't always turn bright red. Sometimes it simply looks dull, less radiant, more tired. So what should you do? Protect your skin before inflammation starts. Use sunscreen every morning. If your skin tolerates it, a vitamin C serum can help reduce oxidative stress from UV exposure. Prioritize sleep. And if alcohol regularly leaves your face looking tired the next day, cutting back may do more for your skin than buying another expensive cream. So, if your face looks older by evening, don't panic. You probably haven't aged in 12 hours. You're seeing the combined effects of water loss, gravity, daily muscle movement, a tired skin barrier, and inflammation. The encouraging part is that many of these changes are temporary, and by giving your skin what it actually needs before bed, you help it recover overnight instead of asking it to fight another day already exhausted. Tomorrow morning, when you look in the mirror, your skin may not be 20 years younger, but it can absolutely look healthier, fresher, and better rested. If you've noticed your skin looks different from morning to evening, tell me in the comments. What changes do you notice first? Your wrinkles, your jawline, your cheeks, or something else? And if you enjoy science-backed skin and hair advice explained in plain English, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.